in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on search for a page in the Notion app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in just like this, in one of the pages. From here we go into the top left corner, click on Notion, then we click on settings, then here we click on my settings, and here we have new tab search. If we turn this on, then we can search for a specific page when we open a new tab, and yeah, and then open that page up. Otherwise we can set a default page for these cases, and then that's going to be opened up straight away. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.